the real world, creating zombies might require a biotech lab, but in Little Alchemy 2, all it requires is a few simple steps. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can create a zombie in Little Alchemy 2. Making zombies is surprisingly easy in Little Alchemy 2. All you have to do is create a human first. So we're going to combine fire and fire to get energy. We'll put this aside. Then we'll combine water with water to get a puddle, add more water to get a pond, add more water to get a lake, and add even more water to get a sea. Now take your sea, combine it with earth to get primordial soup, combine energy and primordial soup to get life. Now take earth, combine it with water to get mud. We'll put mud aside. Take air, combine it with, actually not that. Take earth, combine it with fire to get lava. We combine lava and air to get stone. Mud and stone will give us clay, and clay plus life will give us a human. So we have a human to ourselves now. Now what we need to do is make a gunpowder essentially. So let's start with earth and air to get dust. Dust plus fire should give us gunpowder, and then gunpowder plus energy is not going to give us anything. So this should be gunpowder plus fire will give us an explosion. Now explosion and human is going to be a corpse. And finally, we add life to a corpse to get zombie, and that's how you can make zombies in Little Alchemy 2. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.